Hey gems, welcome back to my channel, and as you could tell from the title of this video, we're gonna help this mama get her groove back. She is a mom of two and we're gonna make her look bomb, okay? All right, so what are we going for? Short
as good as possible, maybe even shorter than last time. Maybe, I don't know. I'm just trying to not have to get my hair done for a while. Babe, what do you think? It's up to you too, because you said I look like a One Direction this time. I don't want to look like that again.
Okay, so let me start off with a disclaimer. I did not do this previous haircut. She went to a barber and I got it done, but since she came to visit me, we decided let's cut it a little bit shorter because she needed that creation, that Creole creation touch. Okay, so I'm just gonna give you a little idea of what we're gonna be doing. She did in the front, you will see that I barely cut that much off because she tried to cut it herself, and the last time she tried to cut it herself, I got frustrated and I went and did it for her. So it looks super short. So we're just going for a super short look. I'm thinking maybe some finger waves depending on how I'm feeling. So there's not really much to this. This is basically just enjoy, watch, and see how this final product come out. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. I'm just snipping away using the techniques that I learned at school, but of course I added a little twist to it, and just watch and enjoy.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy, problems with everyone, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. Well, now I gotta keep it. Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright. Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. I'm trying not to give them the time of day. It's easier said than done. That guy, problems with everyone, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. Well, now I gotta keep it. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. Now I gotta keep it.
Fuck what you thought I'd do without you. I'm so much better, like you never met me. I'm doing anything I want to. I'm going with you to.
So here, what you see me putting in her hair is a clay mask, and pretty basic apple cider vinegar, clay, mix it all up, pour it in her hair. And the purpose of the clay mask is to help clarify all the buildup and, make that hair fresh, okay? And so that's what we're doing.
I'm on to the next you. Hope you got a good view. Watch me while I'm tattooed. Oh, strangers, strangers. The other day I found your t-shirt, and I'd be lying if I said that it didn't hurt. But fuck it, it goes with my short skirt, and I look good in it, baby. When you see me talk to strangers, no, don't you let it get the best of you. You let me slip right through your fingers, and now it's fingers running down me too. I can hear the blood rush through your veins. I can feel the heartbreak on your face. I'm on to the next you. Hope you got a good view. Watch me while I'm tattooed. Oh, strangers, strangers. So when you see me talk to strangers, no, don't you let it get the best of you. You let me slip right through your fingers, and now it's fingers running down me too. I can hear the blood rush through your veins. I can feel the heartbreak on your face. I'm on to the next you. Hope you got a good view. Watch me while I'm tattooed. I can hear the blood rush through your veins. I can feel the heartbreak on your face. I'm on to the next you. Hope you got a good view. Watch me while I'm tattooed. Oh, strangers. You can find me at my best when I'm naked, when I'm lying by the pool getting faded. See, I used to give a fuck, now I'm jaded. I'm allergic to the bullshit. Allergic to the bullshit. Orange soda, Deepak Chopra, Versace robe and my Gucci loafer. Sex on the sofa, that's my yoga. Till my last breath, no regrets, 'cause I do it like it's roulette. Roll it, burn it, lose it. Hit that black and red, keep spending decks, I keep it moving. Put that shit behind me, keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm Sade in the 90s. Do it like it's roulette. Roll it, burn it, lose it. Hit that black and red, keep spending decks, I keep it moving. Put that shit behind me, keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm Sade in the 90s. You can clearly see my vibe is tremendous, but you won't see through the tints in my Tesla. I be blocking out the world, it's a mess, yeah. I'm allergic to the bullshit. Allergic to the bullshit. Orange soda, Deepak Chopra, Versace robe and my Gucci loafer. Sex on the sofa, that's my yoga. Till my last breath, no regrets, 'cause I do it like it's roulette. Roll it, burn it, lose it. Hit that black and red, keep spending decks, I keep it moving. Put that shit behind me, keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm Sade in the 90s. Do it like it's roulette. Roll it, burn it, lose it. Hit that black and red, keep spending decks, I keep it moving. Put that shit behind me, keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm Sade in the 90s. No trouble ever stayed long enough. Thank God every day for my come up. Somebody tryna slide me. It's all up. It's all up. When I know
If you guys made it this far in the video, I want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, let your girl know how you feel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, gems.